Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you one website, guys. So in that website, you can attempt the exam or else the quiz or else the assignment in your interested subject or the domain. So whatever your interested subject is there in your undergraduation or else graduation or else whatever the subject you belongs to in your post graduation. So you may select that one because here the huge number of certificate based courses are mentioned here. Okay, so you have to just open your interested subject and then attempt the quiz. Okay, before that one you have to register, guys. So by registering and then you have to attempt the assignment or else whatever the quiz they are providing. And after successful completion of the quiz, you will be awarded with the certificate, guys. And it is called as a certificate of appreciation. So here I tried in my interested subject, that is digital electronics, and you may try in your interested subject, okay, whatever you belongs to, and get the free certificate, guys. Okay, so this one will be very much helpful to you guys, okay, to boost up your weight of your resume or else to boost up your career. Okay, so which will be very much helpful to you, I think. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a official website of this one, guys, Edulytics Online, and you may check down the all certifications. Okay, so generally if you want to get the certificate to any one of your interested subject, okay, in some websites you have to pay some money and you have to take, you have to take some 1 month or 2 months of course regarding that one, and then you have to attend the exam. Based upon the marks you got in that exam, you will get the certificate. Okay, but here in this website, here to get the certificate in your interested subject, you need not to pay anything and you need not to take any course here, guys. Any lengthy courses are not required. So whatever the interested subject you are having or else whatever you are having some little bit grip on the subject, so I am suggesting this certification one especially to the PhD candidates. Okay, so that means whatever the research area you are going to take, so based upon that one, try to get the as more as certifications. That will be very much helpful for your PhD interview, guys. Okay, so I'm just suggesting, and please share this video to all of your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD interviews or also PhD admissions. Okay, so please try to get as maximum as certificates based upon your research area, guys. And here you may check down the huge number of certifications are there. So thermodynamics and social media, email marketing, certification on appraisal performance management and the basis of e-commerce and the consumer behavior, and the Indian politics and energy resource management and inventory management by Jaipur School of Business, and data structure, okay, direct taxation, and the certificate on business analytics, okay, and management and discoveries, and the electronics and communication, so business strategy management and national education policy. Okay, national education policy is a very most important, it will be helpful to you guys, and food and nutrition. Okay, so travel and tourism. So like that, here the total 4 pages are there. So please check down in each and every page whatever the different courses are mentioned here. Fine. So out of all these courses, okay, here for example I'm going to take my interested one. So I belongs to electronic science, so that's why I'm taking this one. Okay, just click on the see more, guys, and then you will be directed to the next page. So if you are the new to this one, okay, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so if you are new to this platform, then you have to register here before attempting the assignment or the quiz. Okay, so for registration purpose, it will ask you the different details, guys. Okay, so based upon that one, you have to select the details. Anyhow, so here the certification of digital electronics, okay, I got here, and I already attempted the exam, guys. Okay, certificate on electronics and communication, so you have earned the certificate. Okay, I got this one, but I will tell you that how to go to the exam here. So start assessment on digital electronics. Okay, just click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page. So before attempting the quiz or the exam, just read about these 6 points given here. So please refer to the maximum time allowed for the each and every exam. So for this digital electronics, here the time is 20 minutes. And this is the time available for the candidate to demonstrate the widest range of skills they can. And the candidates are advised to make full use of this one. And this exam is of the 100 marks and there is no negative marking in this one. And a certificate of achievement also you will get in digital electronics. That means whatever the subject you are selecting is going to award by the advanced group of institutions only after securing a minimum 60% mark in the assessment, in which judges the basic concept of digital electronics. That means whatever the exam you are going to face here or else the quiz you are going to face, if you cross the minimum 60% of marks in this one, then only you will get the certificate. And all earned certificate, it will be shown in the profile section, and our certificates also verified online with the unique certificate ID. That means anybody can able to verify your certificate, guys. Okay, so after reading all these things, then click on the start quiz and then the quiz will be started. Okay, so once after starting the quiz, here the time mentioned that 20 minutes time will be there. So within the 20 minutes time, you have to finish all the questions. Okay, check down the time 19 minutes. Okay, here the time is started. Total 33 questions I got here. So out of the 33 questions, okay, we have to attempt each and every question. There is no chance of skipping here, guys. Okay, so read the question and select the answer and then click on the next. Okay, and then read the question, select the answer and click on the next. So like that here I am going to get, okay, the total 33 questions. So you have to select, but depending upon your whatever the subject you belongs to, you will get the questions and select that one. Here without selecting the option, you can't able to go to the next question. See, you must answer the question. Okay, so you have to answer each and every question. Okay, so like this. So previously I attempted this exam, guys, but just now I'm just quickly going, okay, to show you. Fine. So how to select and how to go this one. So once if you got the 60% of minimum, then only you will get the certificate. Okay, otherwise you won't get the certificate, guys. So please take your time. Take your time means you have to take the 20 minutes of time. Okay, and then click on the options by carefully reading the questions. Okay, so here I'm not going into the much in depth of the question, so I'm just clicking down. Okay, so to just show you. So if you don't want to see all this question, you just skip, guys. So I selected all the 33 questions and I just click on the finish quiz. Okay, so here it will show you, guys. So 24 out of 33 questions answered correctly. I just finished in the 3 minutes, guys. So you may take your own time. Out of the 20 minutes, I just took the 3 minutes of time and I got the 72.73%, and then click on the print your certificate. Okay, and then you will be directed to this one. Okay, you may check down here the certificate, guys. So advanced educational institutions of technology and management. It is a certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to your name you will get here. Okay, the certificate has displayed appreciable knowledge in the basics of digital electronics, which is a prominent in the field in the area of electronics and communication. The certificate ID you will get like this, so anybody can verify this one, and awarded on which date and which time. Fine. So you will get like this, guys. It will be the very much advantage to you. So whatever the research area you selected for the PhD admission purpose, so based upon that research area, just try to attempt any one of the exam here, okay, and try to get the certificate, guys. So whenever you want to go to, whenever you are going for the interview, okay, for the universities or the colleges, and just show this certificate or else mention in your resume that I want the so and so certificate with so and so percentage. Okay, appreciation certificate or something else. It will be some added advantage to you, and by attempting these questions also you will be explored to some knowledge regarding that subject. And here the level of the questions is also not that much of easy. Okay, very good the questions you are going to get regarding your subject, guys. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them, And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down guys the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, Okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.